At Language On, we believe learning English goes beyond the classroom. Today, our students across South Florida came together for something bigger than a lesson. A beach cleanup that turned communication into action. While practicing English, they also practice teamwork, leadership, and community responsibility. In just one day, our students collected over 40 pounds of trash from a local beach. Small actions, real impact. Building confidence, creating connections, sharing in our community. This is what it means to turn your language on.